Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold now trading at a level of $2909.50. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, there is a clear indication the opposite U trend is forming. Okay, so chances are high that if the price started falling below a level of $28.91, we can see there will be a further downfall. Okay, but if the price keeps sustaining above a level of around $29.32, because $29.32 is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go further upside. And yes, after this particular level we will see it will go above $29.46. okay, this is the level we have seen, and once the price started going above this level, we will see there will be a further upside. Okay, looking at this particular chart, see there is a U pattern is forming, so chances of going towards a level of $29.60 will be there after crossing a level of $29.56. okay, because $29.56 has already been weak, so chances are high the price will go further upside and it will touch a level of $29.60. and once the price started sustaining above this level, a further upside we can see. So what you can do is you can trail SL by $5, okay, or $7, okay, as per the volatility. So you can capture a big movement towards an upside. So if the price started going above a level of $29.62, we can see a level of $29.70 to a level of $29.80. okay, so best what you can do is you can trail your SL, so that is where you can capture a big movement towards an upside. But if that didn't sustain, we can see a further movements below a level of $29.30 to $28, as you can see looking at this particular chart. So chances are high if the price started going below a level of $28.91, we can see a further downfall. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you how the prices of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now let's see the dollar index. See, dollar index now trading at a level of $103.9, and there is a clear U pattern is forming, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Chances are high that if the price started going below this level, we can see a level of 103.7, then to a level of 103.4, and once the price started falling below this level, there will be a zone breakout. So further downfall we can see towards 103.3, and from there it will go towards $101.9, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 100.5. okay, and once the price moving below that particular level, we will see it will fall further down towards $100.1, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see. But if the price sustain this level, we can see a level of $104.8. okay, and from there a further upside we can see towards 105.5, and if the price moving over this level, we can see a level of 106.8, and if that sustain, we will see towards 107.4. okay, and then a further upside movement we can see. So when I'm saying the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of gold will come down, or similar silver will come down. But if the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold silver price will go up. This is what we can see. Coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, looking at this particular chart on a device chart, you will see that from 2 days there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Chances are high if the price sustain this level, we can see the next resistance coming at a level of around $29.20, and if the price sustain above $29.20, we can see the price will go towards the next resistance that is coming at a level of $29.26, and once the price moving over $29.26, we will see it will go above a level of $29.30. This $29.30 is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go above that particular level, and chance of touching $29.40 we can see. And if that sustain, the price will go further upside, and yes, after that we can see the price will go towards a level of $29.56, and once the price moving over $29.56, a further upside we can see towards $29.62, which I have already explained you. So if the price sustain above this level, keep trailing your SL by $5 or $7, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. okay, but if the price didn't sustain, see, because market is uncertain, so you have to understand, suppose if it started falling below this level, the next support we can see coming at a very close level, that is $29.05. okay, and once the price started falling below this level, it will move towards a level of $28.96, and this level $28.96 is already being tested. So chances are high the price can go further low and it will touch a level of $28.90, and once the price sustain below this level $28.90, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $28.86, and if the price moving below that particular level, chance of going towards $28.81 will be there. Suppose if the price fall below that $28.81, we can see a level of $28.78, and from there a further fall we can see towards $28.67 to a level of, after $28.67 we can see a level of $28.58, and then a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $28.53, and if the price started falling below this level we can see a level of $28.46 to a level of around $28.35. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chance of going towards $28.32 we can see, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the